Hey, how's it going? I'm Enrique. Today we're going to go over a simple beginner drawing on how to draw the Mr. Beast logo as a skull. It's going to be simple, easy, step by step. I'm going to be using this. This is a Crayola brand marker. You basically you can use anything you want. You can use a pencil, you can use pen. I like this marker because it shows up very easily on the paper. And paper-wise, I'm using construction paper. That's all you really need to know. Mr. Beast is a great giant blogger. If you're seeing this now, you're probably a fan of his, or you just think this is cool. So, alrighty. I'm gonna go in here and I'm going to throw diagonal line. And if you need to, you can either join in or you can just watch and chill out. It's kind of a cool and kind of a relaxing thing to just kind of watch sometimes. I do that a lot. I usually just watch and then afterward I do it. Curve line here. We're drawing the eye socket going that way because we're gonna make. You're gonna find that I actually tend to do that a lot. I tend to like make metaphors for shapes. Like just to me, I'm gonna draw a row of teeth over here. I could even dig into there. Or I could create a new row at the top, which is kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create a new row at the top. Hopefully you're having a good day, by the way. Hopefully you're chilling out. This is kind of just chill to do or to watch. That is it. Don't forget to, yeah, that is it. Don't forget to check out the, basically don't forget to check out all the stuff in the description. I really work really hard on that. There's a tremendous amount of links down there for you to kind of do. You can either check it out for free. For example, I have hour-long Skillshare lessons. And so those are an hour. Some of them are hours and hours of, you know, they're so long I can't put them on here because they're just not for this format. But definitely check them out on Skillshare if you sign up right now. They are totally free. So go check that link out. You're going to have to find that link, though, somewhere in the description. That is it. Thank you so much. If you're listening to this right now, say hi to me in the comments, and I will talk to you in the next video. See you later.